what was the motto for the Stallen Conclave?
Alright. So this August we were finishing 25 years of Stallen, since Stallen was founded in 1997. So that the 25-year celebration, as well as a chance to meet our friends, colleagues, employees, team members and stakeholders, was a good occasion after 2 years to get everybody together, celebrate, do a little bit of a technical seminar, share ideas, share what we are doing, learn what others are doing, and plan for the next 25 years to come.
That's great. Congratulations on your completing 25 glorious years. How you see this journey and your near future goals for the company looking ahead?
So the past 25 have been glorious as well as difficult. There is no denying. There's been a lot of ups and downs along with the industry, internally, externally. However, it has been a great journey. I've only had the chance to be part of the latter half, and it's now we're excited. Now we have a base, we have a platform, we've made it. We're up there with the top Indian poultry companies, and the next step is to position ourselves as an Indian poultry multinational. While we continue to grow our exports, now we're expanding our manufacturing footprint. We'll add more products. We're increasing our presence geographically across India and in Nepal and Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So with more team members to join us and with more products, we're looking to establish Stallen as a brand and grow our product range and our service.
Yes. So that is the goal in the near future, to establish the Stallen and FATRO brand in India, as so our stakeholders have new products and the services which we are going to offer, which is a very exciting thing for us. We will be offering more technical services, more marketing services, and we will be able to serve our all the poultry producers in a much better way than what we have done in the past.
Okay. Fortunate of any company depends on its leadership and team. How do you see your Stallen team and their contribution to Stallen?
So from when Stallen started, it was started by my father, who is no longer with us. But having said that, as we celebrate 25 years, most of our team has changed, including up top to lower. It happens with any company. Having said that, during this conclave, we celebrate those people who spent 40 years with us, 15 years with us, 25 years. So the backbone has been tight. The body parts may have aged, but the backbone has been there. It is now time for a refresh. It is time that I am taking on a little bit of a leadership role. Along with me, Dr. Sanjay, who used to only look after the technical side, is now going to look after the ops, the marketing, the sales, and together, the two of us, along with our team members, the company is nothing without our team. No matter how hard we try, we need our team to do it with us. So together, all of us, with renewed faith and energy, are excited for what is to come.
That is our now mission, actually, to take the people with us. We have many people who have worked here for 25 years since inception, and many people who have worked for 22 years, 15 years. So we want to take them along with us, and with the younger members of the team, build a solid Stallen team, which we will do in the near future.
Thank you. Please introduce the speakers for the event and how their words are valuable for the listeners.
So it was the company representatives, myself and Dr. Sanjay, that spoke and helped guide and usher the event. In addition to that, we had two guests from our principals, which is FATRO, Dr. Tasi and Dr. Bravachini, who spoke about FATRO as a company, their association with us, along with the vaccines and the use of the vaccines. To complement their vaccines, we had two external speakers.
Dr. Sanjay Anand is a very eminent poultry personality in India, private consultant, and he spoke at length about two major diseases affecting our poultry, that is infectious coryza and mycoplasma. And then we had Dr. Tasi speaking about our vaccines, and the other speaker we had was Dr. Mahendra Chaudhary, another private consultant, and he spoke at length about a very common disease affecting our poultry, that is infectious bronchitis. And then we had a session with Dr. Tasi telling us about the FATRO vaccines. So in all, it was a very complimentary session with we working together with the external consultants to actually brief everybody on what the disease is and what our vaccines can do.
Okay, thank you. Any closing remarks?
Nothing. I appreciate everybody who's probably been viewing this video. That thank you for giving us the time, the opportunity, and helping us grow to where we are. We came from small beginnings, we remain humble. We're not here to just splurge and make a splash, we're here to make a real impact, to really grow with you, not more than you or above you. We want to grow together, and we look forward to your support. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.